Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Forget what you think a motorhome looks like. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome doesn't just break the rules, it rewrites them. From the outside, it demands respect. A moving masterpiece draped in obsidian black, trimmed in chrome and crowned with the spirit of ecstasy. But what's inside is where the story really begins. You're about to witness the most luxurious motorhome ever built, a space where five-star living meets futuristic travel, all wrapped in unmistakable Rolls-Royce elegance. Step through the Autoglide doors and you're greeted by real marble flooring. The walls? Italian silk. The air? Fragranced with a custom scent, blended exclusively for this model. This isn't an interior, it's an experience. The cockpit alone feels like a spaceship. No dials, no clutter, just a sweeping, curved holographic display that responds to your voice and gestures. The steering is leather-wrapped, hand-stitched, and the seats remember everything about you: your posture, temperature preference, even your playlist. Walk into the lounge and you're met with full-grain leather recliners that automatically adjust to your body. A 98-inch OLED screen descends from the ceiling with cinematic surround sound. And with one soft command, the gold-trimmed champagne bar rises from the console. The kitchen? More intelligent than most apartments. An induction cooktop hidden beneath black marble, a smart oven that cooks to perfection, and a fridge that tracks your groceries and reorders your favorites, whether that's caviar or coconut water. In the bedroom, a memory-reactive mattress contours to your exact shape. The lighting adapts to your mood. And the panoramic roof above. Your bed can either reveal the stars or simulate a sunrise to gently wake you. Then comes the bathroom. Heated marble floors, a rainfall steam shower, and mirrors that do more than reflect, and they display news, weather, even your wellness stats, all in real time. And while everything inside screams royalty, don't forget what's under the floor: a fully electric powertrain delivering 800 horsepower in complete silence. This isn't just luxury, it's power, intelligence, and serenity moving together. So why is the world obsessed with this motorhome? Because it's not just transportation, it's liberation. You're not stuck in traffic, you're gliding through landscapes in a mobile mansion where no comfort is compromised. This is the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, and yes, it broke the internet. Hit like if this amazed you, subscribe for more world-class machines, and stay tuned because at Auto Plus, the future isn't coming, it's already here.